Hello everyone, I am Akash Srivastav, your law mentor, and as you all know that NLU Delhi have released AILET application form. So in this session we are going to discuss in detail what all things you need to take into consideration before filling the form, and in today's session we are going to discuss in detail how exactly you will be doing so. So without wasting your time, let's start the session. Before discussing in detail how exactly you will be filling your AILET application form, it is very important for all the candidates to know the important dates. So, NLU Delhi have started the application for AILET examination from 7th of August 2023. It will be opened till 13th of November 2023, and they will release the admit card on 20th of November 2023, and as you all know, the examination will be held on 10th of December 2023. One of the most important thing that they have changed this year is duration of the examination. So few of the other important aspects of the examination are as follows. So total marks is same, that is 150 marks. Number of questions are also same, that is 150 questions of 1 marks each. Negative marking is there, that is 0.25 marks for all the negative answer that you will be taking in the examination. Duration of the examination earlier was 90 minutes, that is 1 hour 30 minutes. Now it is of 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. That is a welcome change. Then when we talk about the bifurcation of the question paper, so question paper will be divided into 3 parts. English will be of 50 questions, current affairs and GK will be of 30 questions, and logical reasoning will comprise of 70 questions. One of the most important thing that you should be aware of, that when we talk about the merit ranking, if 2 students have scored same score, then logical reasoning will be the tiebreaker. Okay. For example, if the student has scored 94, one student and the other student have also scored 94, then whichever student has scored more number in logical reasoning, that student will be preferred. But for an example, if both the students have scored same marks in logical reasoning also, then age will be taken into consideration. A senior candidate will be given a chance. If again assume a situation that they have scored equal marks in logical reasoning and they are of the same age, then it will be decided through a draw of lots. Before discussing how exactly you will be filling AILET application form, it is very important for all the candidates to have these documents. So first of all, photograph and signature will be required by all the candidates, and the size of photograph and signature needs to be maximum 1 MB. Both needs to be in soft copy. But other documents are also required if you are applying through BPL category. If you are a foreign national candidate, then you also need a passport, and also if you are a PWD candidate, then you also need a PWD certificate. For BPL certificate, for passport and PWD certificate, the size is maximum 2 MB. When we talk about the details, the detail specification for photograph and signature, so these are as follows. So as you can see on my screen, the candidate should upload his or her passport size photograph and colored with white background. Size of the photograph should be maximum of 1 MB. When we talk about other specification, then passport size photograph should not have cap or goggles, but spectacles are allowed. So you should not wear cap or goggles while in your passport picture. The face of the candidate should cover about 75% of the photograph. Okay? The photograph must clearly show the face of the candidate in the preview box or page that you will be filling while filling the application form. When we talk about the format of the image, then it can be of JPG, JPEG or PNG format. So these are the 3 formats that is permissible. When we talk about the signature, the candidate should also upload their scanned signature. Signature should be clear and without overwriting on white paper sheet within a box of 6 into 3 centimeters. So you need to draw a 6 into 3 centimeters box and need to sign in that. Size of the image should not be more than 1 MB as equivalent to your photograph. Candidate signature should be clear and without overwriting on white paper with blue or black pen. So you should take this into consideration that while signature, so whatever your signature you are uploading, that should be signed by black or blue pen within a box of 6 into 3 centimeters. So width will be 6 centimeters and height will be 3 centimeters and clearly visible in a preview box. The scanned image should be of again JPG, JPEG and PNG format. Candidate should keep 2 identical photographs with him or her in reserve, which may be used for pasting that on the admit card at the time of entrances. So whatever image you are uploading in the soft copy, you should also have 2 hard copy of that particular image. So this is all with respect to specification when we talk about photograph and signature. Let's move ahead. One of the most important guidelines that they have mentioned in the instruction page is that if you have submitted the incorrect details in the form, you can delete the application. This particular choice is given to all, and fill it once again and submit the form. Okay, but in case you have selected option yes to BPL category, so if you are applying for AILET examination through BPL category and you have selected that BPL category under the category of SC and ST, you will not be able to delete the application form once submitted. This is one of the most important guidelines that they have given over there. So you should keep this into consideration that if you belong to any other category, you can delete the application once you have filled any incorrect details. But if you have applied through BPL category from SC or ST candidate, okay, in that category, in that case, you cannot delete the application form. So when we talk about steps in form filling, there are 3 steps. The first one is registration, the second one is filling details in the application form, and the third one is payment. So in this session, we will be discussing each and every step. So let's start the form filling, students. So when we talk about AILET examination, the URL that you will type on Google is National Law University Delhi.in. So this is the URL. You just need to type in on Google Chrome. So National Law University Delhi.in. This is the URL that you will type on Google, and once you type that particular URL, this particular page, as you can see on my screen, will be shown to you. Okay, so on the right hand side, you can see that registered mobile number is mentioned, password is mentioned, and below that register is mentioned. Okay, so if you have already registered, then you will have to fill the registered mobile number and password. But for a new candidate, first of all, you need to click on register button. Once you click on register, as it is given below password, this particular page will open. So on the screen, as you can see that after clicking on register, you will have to enter your mobile number and email address. So these are the 2 details that will be required once you click on register button. So first of all, you will be clicking on National Law University Delhi.in on Google. Once you click that, a page will be shown. Over there, you just need to click on register. Once you click on register, this page will be reflected on your screen. You will have to enter mobile number of yours and email address. Once you do so, then you will have to click on register. After clicking on register, they will ask that login details have been sent to your contact number. Okay, so whatever mobile number you have filled in this particular column, so on that particular mobile number, details will be sent. Once you click on OK, then this particular page will be shown on your screen. So as you can see that it is force change password. So whatever password they have mentioned, you will have to create a new password for yourself. Okay, so you will have to create a new password. Choose whatever password you deem fit. Okay, but keep that in handy. So you need to choose that password that you will be able to remember in future also. It is recommended from our side that you write it down somewhere. Okay, so you will have to enter new password of yours. You will have to confirm password, and then you will have to click on change password. Once you click on this, then again the first page will be shown to you. Okay, over here you will have to enter your registered mobile number and the password, the new password that you have created. Once you do so, you will have to click on login button. This is the first step, student, that how exactly you will register. So first of all, you need to click on register button over here. After clicking on National Law University Delhi.in URL, this page will be shown to you. You will have to click on register. Once you click on register, you will have to enter your mobile number and email address. Once you do so, the details will be sent to your mobile number. You will have to enter, you have to create a new password. You will have to create new password, and once you do so, again the same page, the first page will be shown to you. You will have to enter your registered mobile number and the new password that you have created, and then you will have to click on login. Once you click on login, this particular page will be shown to you. Over here you can see that it is written that for which course you are applying. So the first course is BA LLB honors, the second one is LLB, and the third one is PhD. So for all the students who are applying for 5-year law, you will have to click on BA LLB honors, and then you will have to click on apply button. Once you click on apply button, they will ask you again, you have selected the program BA LLB honors, click on OK button to apply. They are reconfirming it. You just need to click on OK. So students, once you click on OK, so this page will be shown to you. So this is the second stage. So once you have registered, now this is the second stage. Now you will have to fill all the details of yours. So as you can see, the first column is personal details. So the first thing that you need to fill is candidate name in class 10 certificate. So it is very important to understand that whatever name was there in class 10th ka certificate, you will have to fill the exact name. You cannot change that. Okay. So I will fill it for you. So after filling the candidate name, the second thing that they are asking is date of birth. So it will be in a format of date, month and year. So first of all, you will have to select the date, then month, and then in last, your year. The third thing that they are asking in personal details is your gender. So they have given three options: male, female and transgender. Select the appropriate option. Then contact number, mobile number is already filled. So it's pre-filled. Email ID is already pre-filled. Now they are asking your religion. You will have to type in this particular section. There is no scroll down. So you will have to fill your religion. After doing that, they are asking nationality. Again, this is pre-filled. And the last thing that they are asking is category. This is one of the most important thing. So over here, you can see that they have given general, EWS category, that is economically weaker section, then OBC, non-creamy layer, SC category and ST category. So these are the category options that are given to you. And while filling this particular option, so for example, if I select general, then there is no additional requirement that they're asking. So there is no additional thing that I need to fill. But for example, if I fill SC category, okay, then you can see that a new information that they're asking is, do you belong to BPL category or not? So earlier I've already explained that in case of BPL category, in case of foreign citizens, in these three categories, you will have to fill. So for example, if you are filling through PWD candidate, are you a PW candidate? If you are applying through BPL category or foreign national category, they are asking additional information. So if I have selected SC candidate, then they are asking, do you belong to BPL category or not? So I will have to select yes or no, that is BPL basically means below poverty line. So if I am filling yes, then at the end of the form, they will also ask me to upload the required document. So choose this particular option very carefully, very cautiously, that if you are selecting BPL category candidate, then you will have to upload the document that supports it. Okay, if you are applying through BPL category candidate, or if you are applying through PWD, in both the situation you will have to upload additional document. So I will select category. Then they are asking, the next information that they are asking is, are you a PWD candidate? So you will have to select again. If you are selecting yes, then you will have to upload the required document. If you are selecting no, then they are not asking anything else. Next, they are asking, are you a Kashmiri migrant candidate? So you can select that. Based on same, few seats are reserved in Delhi National Law University, Delhi. So if you belong to that category, then you can take the benefit of the reservation. Then are you a resident of Jammu and Kashmir? Again, you will have to fill yes or no, depending upon the information, depending upon the reality. So these are the details that you will have to fill in personal details. One of the most important thing is that you will have to take into consideration your name as it was in class 10th ka certificate, and then your category. These are the two most important things that you will have to fill very cautiously. So once you have filled the personal details, then they will be asking you to fill the center choice details. So choose the center that is nearest from your place. So there are three options that will be provided to you. So taking into consideration number of candidates choosing that particular center, you will be provided that. So choose the center very cautiously, because you will be attempting AILET examination on 10th of December at this center. So the first option will be the nearest to your place, and then second nearest and the third nearest. So few things that you need to take into consideration while filling the personal details and center choice details is, when we talk about personal details, your name in 10th certificate and then your category, most important things. And when we talk about center choice details, choose that center that is nearest to your place. So students, after filling personal details and center choice details, they are asking you your contact details. So as you can see on my screen, they are asking your current address also, your permanent address also. So for few candidates, the current address will be same as permanent address. Okay. So address line 1, address line 2, you will have to fill. Then you will have to fill your country, that is India. I will fill it for you. Then they are asking you state or union territory. Over here, you will get the scroll. So choose the state, to which state you belong. Then district. Again, you will have to type your district. Okay. Then city and then pin code. So you are getting the scroll down wala option only in the case of state or union territory. All the details you will have to fill on your own. Then they are giving you an option, is your permanent address same as your current address? So for a lot of candidates, the current address will be same as permanent address. Then you just need to click on this particular box. The same detail that you have filled in current address will be copied in permanent address. If your permanent address is different from current address, then you will have to fill all the details over there also. Once you have filled your permanent address and current address, then they are asking you your family details. Okay, so they are asking your father's name, occupation of father, father's mobile number. Everything is mandatory in nature. Okay, and in the case of father's annual income, they are giving a drop down. So over here you will find 15 lakh and above, between 10 to 15 lakh, 8 to 10 lakh, 5 to 8 lakhs, 1 to 5 lakh, less than 1 lakh, and nil. So choose. When we are talking about you are applying through category or EWS category, you will have to take this into consideration also. That particular details that you have filled should match to the category to which you belong. Okay, so all the details you will have to fill, and similarly for mothers also you will have to fill the same. So all the details related to father and then related to mother also you will have to fill, and also you will have to fill the mother's annual income also. So again the same drop down is available over here also. You will have to fill all the details. Once you have filled the family details, we will scroll down and we will see that they are asking you your academic qualification. So as you can see on my screen that they are asking you your class 10 ka details and class 12 ka details. So first of all, name of the college or school to which you belong, that you will find on the mark sheet. Then name of the examination board. So it may be CBSE, it may be ICSE, it may be any other board. You will have to type that. Then year of passing is very important. Over here you will find the scroll down. So you can choose in which year you have passed class 10th ka examination. Then grading system, you will have to choose between percentage or CGPA. So either of these you will have to choose. Then they're asking you maximum marks and marks obtained. This is not mandatory in nature, but percentage of marks or CGPA is very important. Okay, so you will have to calculate your percentage and you will have to fill over here. When we talk about whether it is mandatory or not, maximum marks and marks obtained is not mandatory, as you cannot see the asterisk sign over there, but percentage of marks or CGPA is mandatory in nature. And similarly you will have to fill the detail for class 12th also. So again over here also they are asking about name of the college, name of the examination board, year of passing or appearing. So a lot of candidates will be appearing, so you will have to select that you are still in class 12th and you will be attempting this board ka examination in the month of February or March. Then grading system, again if you have selected appearing, then grading system, maximum marks, marks obtained, percentage of marks will not be applicable for you. If you are selecting that you have already passed the examination, for example 2023 you passed the examination, then all the options will be applicable for you. So you will have to fill the grading system, you will have to fill the maximum marks, marks obtained, and percentage of marks. But you will see one difference when we talk about class 10 ka details and class 12 ka details, is that when we talk about class 10 ka details, the maximum marks and marks obtained is not mandatory in nature, but when we talk about class 12th ka details, you will have to fill both the columns. So you will have to fill the maximum marks also, you will have to fill the marks obtained also. But as I know that a lot of candidates is appearing this year, so these 4 columns will be blank for you. You will have to just select the stream to which you belong. So it may be arts or humanities, commerce or science. These are the stream that is available to you. So students, once you have filled the educational details related to class 10th and 12th, then the last section will appear, that is documents or certificates, by scrolling down. So over here you will have to upload your image, that is photograph, passport size photograph, and then your signature also. So as you can see that they have mentioned in that when we talk about photograph or signature, in both the cases the maximum size will be 1 MB, and when we talk about photograph, 75% of your face should appear over there, and when we talk about signature, it should be 6x3 ka box mein you will have to sign through black or blue pen. So you just have to upload over here, and in last you will see a declaration ka form. So you will have to click on yes, I declare that all the details given by me in this particular form is correct. So once you have filled all the details, so related to your family, related to your educational details, and all the documents related to you have been uploaded, that is photograph, signature, and if you belong to BPL category or PWD candidate, then you will have to upload the supporting documents also if you have filled all the details. Then at the end, at the right hand corner, you can see that they have given two options. The first option is save as draft if you want to reconsider any details, or you will given an option to submit the form. Once you submit the form, then the third step will appear, that is payment. So you will have to pay the fees for all the candidates, general category candidates, EWS category candidates. The fee is 3,500 rupees. But when we talk about if you belong to BPL category, then fees is reduced. Okay, so you just need to click on submit form. If you have not filled any details, if you have missed any particular mandatory column, then they will ask you to fill that particular details. Once you have done so, then on clicking on submit form, a payment page will be shown to you, and you will have to do the payment according to your category. So students, this was all related to AILET form filling. So we discussed in detail what exactly you need to have before filling the form and what exactly you need to do while filling the form. So I wish all the best for all the AILET aspirants 2024. All the best. Thank you.